Let's talk about business lessons from Beyonce and Jay-Z. First of all, when it comes to Beyonce, she's incredibly inspiring. And I think that in order to reach your full potential, you have to inspire others. And that's what a great team member or manager or cultural icon does. They inspire. And Beyonce's lyrics inspire many young women and others to spread their wings and reach their full potential. And you'll notice actually she's always happy and she's constantly smiling, and it's not an act. And I think that in order to reach your full potential, you have to stay positive, and her positivity shines through when she manages her team. And if you're around a manager or a team member that is always upbeat, then of course everybody achieves more. And the antithesis of this is if you work with someone with a negative attitude, that poisons the corporate culture. So how do you stay positive all the time? Well, you practice gratitude. And what works for me, and this is just me, is I never get out of bed in the morning without thanking God for 10 things in this order. Andrew, Matthew, Dylan, Christine, my wife, my mom, my dad, my brother Jamie, my sister Katie, Elizabeth, and you, my students. I'm grateful for you, and I pray and I thank God for that every single day. And this is just me, but I actually don't worry about career issues because God already knows what's going to happen. And within reason, we need to see career stumbles as gifts because those stumbles, those perceived stumbles, guide us in another direction in our path of our pursuit of our passion. And this is actually a great segue to talk about the career frustrations of Beyonce's husband, Jay-Z. Jay-Z had so many career stumbles, and he maintained a positive attitude to the extent that when no music company would sign him to a contract, he did something incredibly bold. He started his own record label, and he's worth way more today, of course, because of those career setbacks. And in hindsight, I'm sure he's grateful for those career setbacks. So when we have setbacks in our careers, we've got two choices. Number one, we can complain and doubt ourselves. Or number two, we think within reason, what is positive about this? Well, what's positive is I'm either going to get a better job or start my own company one day. Because perception becomes reality, and like the Rodin sculpture, I think therefore I am. Now, Beyonce's incredibly positive attitude, along with Jay-Z's relentless approach of taking risk and launching his own company, make them the quintessential power couple. Beyonce once said, "Power is not given to you, you have to take it." So take that career risk and take control of your life by maintaining a positive attitude. And please see every career failure as nothing more than a tiny hurdle to step over in order to reach your full potential. And along your journey, please keep in mind what Beyonce said, which is you must boast about your accomplishments. Otherwise, nobody will ever know, and you'll never reach your full potential. And nobody ever made CEO or vice president in a company or started a company without tastefully boasting about their accomplishments. If you have an interview, you have to tastefully boast. So how do you do it? Well, you can start with saying, "I'm humbled to say that," and then mention your accomplishments. Will people see that as arrogance? No, because you prefaced it with, "I'm humbled to say that." Or if you brag about something, you can start in an interview by saying, "I failed at X and I learned X, and I'm humbled to say that." Now, there isn't a single successful person that hasn't tastefully bragged about their accomplishment. And just be honest and transparent too, as this is a very admirable trait. And Beyonce actually, she's very honest and transparent when she connects with her fans, just like we should be when we connect with our business colleagues. So if you have any self-doubt in your life, then what I want you to do is this. I want you to get a box, and I want you to put all your self-doubt into this box, okay? It's all in your mind. It really, really is. So all of your self-doubts, you'll put away in this box. I'm not smart. I'm not confident. I'm not good enough. Put it in this box. These are your doubts, okay? Put this in this box. And then what I want you to do is I want you to close that box and move it to the left. Hopefully somebody got that reference there. And believe in yourself, and the rest is easy, as Beyonce said. She also said, you must not know about me. You must not know about me. I can have another you in a minute, so don't ever for a second get to thinking you're irreplaceable.